Are you tired of having your life ruined by a little passing of gas?
And did anybody realize that the thing that he was reading was a ladies' magazine with girls on bikinis?
Take your innocence. And ruin some fat guys. The Gas Buster. The Gas Buster is a simple-to-use, portable device that will change the scent of those smelly booty bombs. The Gas Buster has 1, 2, 3. 1. Tighten the strap. 2. Secure the Gas Buster to your buttons. 3. Turn on the patented scent ventilator. 4. Enjoy your life free of the smell of toxic gas. The Gas Buster is perfect for any occasion, such as in the elevator. I like this boy, Lacey.
Actually, that was me.
That's my guy, right?
Nice.
He looks like a girl.
He's Anthony.
Yeah, but he looks like a guy, a girl right now.
Try to collect them all.
What scent is that?
Tropical breeze.
No, mine.
Anthony?
Vanilla
Then just look
sunrise.
through here.
God, you are so hot.
They can't reach each other. Because they have that heavy thing, right?
Yeah, it's so funny. And also, they're supposed to go around to kiss each other, right?
Yes.
Smosh, it's kind of stupid, but funny.
That's Anthony, right?
Yeah. No, that's Ian.
Oh. Who's the song?
Sorry, that. Fart jokes are for 8-year-olds. Calm down. If you don't think fart jokes are funny,
That's Ian, right? I mean, Anthony.
to see bloopers and support
That was so funny.
fart jokes, click the video right here.
That was so funny. Bye.